Welcome to Pro Se Lawsuit Center. I'm Coach Neighbors, and I'm here to introduce you guys to, one of our new products. Okay, so the government, they want to take everything from you. Your home, your freedom, even your family. Prosecutors, judges, and divorce courts, they all are on the same team. And they expect you to fold, stay silent, and just walk away broken. But we got a new product now. Legal Offense Coaching Program. You can fight back. This isn't theory. This is real coaching by yours truly, one-on-one, built from the real-time feedback from people like you who had the courage to step up and fight and challenge judges and protect their due process. Now, this is different what I'm going to do now. Generally, I didn't coach people in their conventional program, but that's what we're going to be doing. I'm going to be doing legal. Now, one of the most important things that people need to take into consideration, and this is one of the benefits that my coaching offers, okay? Your attorney might not be fighting for you. Most of them serve the system and not the client. Judges push cases through like paperwork. Prosecutors stack on charges until you break. And the foreclosure courts, they want your house really fast. They want you out really fast. But when you step into the legal offense coaching program, everything changes. You'll get coaching on how to stop the court process in its tracks, and I'm throwing it right out there. You'll learn how to fire your attorney and take control, how to hold judges accountable when they trample on your rights, how to defend your family, your home, and your future. Now, this coaching is structured for 30-minute sessions at $75 for a half an hour. 30 minutes for half an hour. Now, I'm not going to just chop it off right at that. That's just what we're going to do. Please keep in mind, our main focus is to help you learn how to take control of the situation. Now, we're going to have a registration form that you'll get when you pay the $75, you get a registration form. And on that form, I'll ask you some questions because I need to know your goals and the posture of your case before we meet. When the coaching slots are full, there's going to be a waiting list, and active clients will receive a password to the private client information hub, and we have a page for that on the website. Just find the client information hub with the instructions, the program details, and everything that you need to know. We like to keep it streamlined and confidential. Our commitment here: first, we coach. Your ability to take control of the court process is our number one priority. Our strategies are based on real-time feedback from people who invested in Pro Se Lawsuit Center. Okay, so the next step is to make your investment. Complete the registration form that'll be sent to you after you invest your $75. It'll be emailed to you to the email address that's connected to your payment method. And then you call me to schedule your 30-minute coaching session. Coach Neighbors, 913-240-0227. Once you call me and we schedule, you have a spot, and you'll receive the Client Hub password. You'll receive access to the Client Hub, access to your coaching session, and you'll be ready to go. Now, we have a limited availability to keep the coaching personal. Only a small number of clients are going to be accepted each month. The slots are going to fill up fast. When the slots are full, the new sign-ups will move over to the wait list. Now, we have some other opportunities. After you experience the value of coaching, you may choose to continue by joining one of our online courses, investing in a lawsuit package, or becoming a certified legal coach. Coaching remains a priority. These options are offered after you've gained the strength and the clarity that you need. Frequently asked questions, and this is probably the first one people ask, is this legal representation? And my answer is no. It's educational. It's educational coaching. You're responsible for your own case decisions. You're responsible, and any coaching you get here, you're using at your own risk. What if I already have an attorney? Well, one of the services that we offer is that we can help you evaluate whether your attorney is serving you or not. And you will learn how to fire an attorney if needed. And obviously, I have the tools that you need to do that. What if I'm new to self-representation? I plan with the coaching to meet you where you are, whether it's in their conventional system or in my system or in your own system, to help you get to where you need to be, where you want to be. Self-representation, if you're new, you just gotta, you gotta follow the instructions. You invest in one of our products and watch the updated instructional videos, and you can also join the coaching group over at neighbors_coach on Twitter. That's where we handle all those things. So if the slots are full, we'll have a waiting list. You understand what's going on now. If you're ready to take control, click below, make your investment, fill out the registration form, and then call me to schedule your 30-minute coaching session so you can start reclaiming your right. 913-240-0227. Coach Neighbors, hit me up. Thank you for the value of sharing your time.